The most important thing about anything we do is to properly understand buildings, how they're constructed, how they perform, how they react to the environment around them, how they react to the people who live and occupy them. One of the processes in which we do this is through a building pathological analysis, or you could call it a very detailed building survey, a proper survey, whereby we look at all these issues. We really understand the building. When we find problems, we understand what causes those problems, and we try and find solutions to resolve those causes, not by treating the symptoms of problems, but by getting to the root of the problem. We do this by surveying the building on the outside and then the inside, and seeing how defects on the inside relate to problems on the outside. But it's also about not just looking at things, but testing things as well. When we look at the energy efficiency of buildings, we have to relate all these issues from the building pathological investigation to those particular issues as well. And if we maintain these buildings properly, they will last a long time. When we're investigating buildings like this, we need to understand how to do things properly. So when we go and try and understand where there's any dampness present, we need to deploy the right methods, not the common practices of today, but the right methods. So by doing things properly, by properly understanding buildings, we can actually do things more economically. We don't do things which don't need to be done. We can actually spend money where it's needed most, but we can only do that if we really understand what we're doing. And it's through this building pathological analysis process where we really get to that high level of understanding.